Welcome to more channel. If you can send command, the record revolution is here. And it is not just changing the game, it is delighting use in Korea. Right at the forefront of this society is the GWM Ora. They call that doesn't just demand attention, it commands it. This isn't just another earth. This is the statement. The declaration that the future of driving isn't just about zero emissions. This is about free in performance, clean design, and touching a technology but in a package that dares to be different. Let's talk about the design first because GWM Ora doesn't just clean heads. It snaps them back off with its C to fly pursuit, which is speculating. On board, resistance This is a car that would like a spring airport exploit from 2030. The smooth, dynamic cylinders for showcase source for real life away, maximizing efficiency while making sure you ground between it. For beauty is nothing without brains, and the also delivers in stakes, step inside, and you do it about the time that is more like a high-tech than I call in PE. Premium materials, intuitive controls, and I drive a focus cockpit make difference initially and even. And that massive infotainment screen is not just the display is your command center. Packed with smart features, seamless touchscreen, and an interface so smooth, it feels like the car is eating your mind. Now, let's talk power because what's an amplified job broken performance. Girl soon set doesn't just moving on chest instant cord, fast acceleration. And I was the point what made everyone not feel like don't see some move. But here's the key, it does not is what giving you and impressive aim. That puts pain and sorry to rest. Whether you come looking for the city or hating you can hallway. This car doesn't just keep up it dominates. And let's not forget the tech. Recording enhanced driver assistance systems, backup features, and next gen safety that doesn't just dictate greed and displays. Then it before it even happens. This isn't just the car, it is the co-pilot Where he is being placed in was set for all way when you can. Have extraordinary the GWM isn't just expecting to the future is the It's proof that your hot cars don't have to be boring. That sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing the safety. And that the best is still to come. So, what do you think? Is the version with the game changing worth I've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments and if you are created about the future of driving as I am, don't forget to like or subscribe and hit that notification bell because the revolution is just getting started. See you and below.